Today, I'm sharing a genius trick that could save the day. If you've ever been locked out of your Gmail account and don't have access to your phone number or recovery email. Yep, it's a Gmail hack. And it's simpler than you think. So, here's how it goes. On your browser, click on the profile icon at the top right. Simply click on the Manage Your Google Account. On the left part of the screen, select Security. Next, scroll down a little bit and look for Password. Click on it, and from here, you may enter a new password and confirm it. Once done, click Change Password button. And you're good to go. And that's it for today's hack. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.